Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making some pancakes on the griddle. We got a couple different kinds, and yeah, let's come on in, check it out, and let's get this cook going. All right, so we got some breakfast sausage right here. Got 9 pieces of it. Right here, we got the Blackstone pancake dispenser. I'm not sure what you would call it, but that's full of some pancake mix. And then we got berries, blueberries and chocolate chips to put in the pancakes. And then this is the house favorite, Ms. Butterworth syrup. So let's get this thing going. Let's get this going now. We got the griddles up to like 350. I have this burner on high. These two are on medium and this one is off. And I did just throw my number 3 cast iron on over here. I'm gonna put the syrup in there so I can get that nice and warmed up. I like it warm, so let's go ahead and throw some butter down right here. I'm just gonna use butter for the sausage. Not gonna use no oil in this cook. All right, let's just let that go. Get it nice and around. There we go. All right, let's get this sausage on. Got a runner. Get back in here. All right, let's get these all up in here. There we go. Get that cooking up nicely. Now I'm gonna wait to put the pancakes on until these are almost done. And you know what? While we're here, let's get this syrup warming up over here. That should be enough for everybody, maybe. We'll see. All right, we're good on that. Let's see what temp we're working on. Over here by the sausages, we're at 400. Just get these lined up. All right, and yeah, I'll bring you right back when these are getting closer and we'll see where we're at. All right, here we go. Now these, as you can see, are just about done. So we're gonna get going on these pancakes, right, babe? Mm-hmm. All right, can you hand me the butter?
Yeah. Here you go, Daddy.
Thank you. All right, so I turned all the burners off because we're getting a little too hot and I don't want to be that hot for the pancakes. So turned the burners off except the this one right here, the second one from the right I have on still. There we go. Get that butter worked up. All the other burners are off right now. So get that on there. All right. Put that right here. Let me get this from you. All right. It's kind of starting to fluff up and overflow, so I had to take the top off. All right, let's put some on here. That's a nice looking one. Yeah, this dispenser is pretty nice. Right, let's get a big one right here. All right, you want to hand me some, what do you want on yours? Chocolate chips? All right, let's put some chocolate chips on. Which one do you want?
That one's the biggest.
The big one? All right. I'm going to put some chocolate chips in hers. Mom, what do you want?
Nothing.
Mom wants hers plain. All right. Sounds good. Is that enough? You want more? All right, let's throw some more in here. All right, there we go. All right, hand me the blueberries for mine. Let's keep these sausages nice and good. There we go.
Give me some of yours, just a little bit.
Oh, so she doesn't want blueberries on her pancake, but she wants blueberries on mine so she can take them.
Yeah, just a little bit of my
Yeah. All right, let's put some on here. A little bit. Now they're starting to bubble. So that means we're getting pretty close to being done. All right, let's give these things a flip. Let's I'm gonna wait for the big one because I feel like that might take a little bit longer. Let's see how we're looking over here. Make sure before you flip it, you get it nice and loose. There we go. Yeah, you did get the biggest one. All right, there's mine. All right. Now this one, you know what, let's just go for it. Nope, stuck a little bit. All right, here we go.
Ready to go.
There it is. Oh yeah. Got that little hardness coming up. There you go. All right. All right. The sausages are done. So let's go ahead and get these off. There we go. Pancakes are just about there. There you go. All right, you can put that on the table. All right, we got a little bit of a mess over here. All right, you excited for this pancake? All right, how's our syrup doing over here? Over 100 degrees, so we're good over there. Yeah, nice and warm. All right, now we kill that burner. Now I did turn these burners back on. I had all of them on low, and I just wanted to make sure this stayed nice and warm, and I wanted to make sure we had enough heat on these pancakes, but these things are looking pretty good. All right, let's see how we're looking on these pancakes. All right, that's looking pretty good. Check my blueberry. Oh, that's what I like to see. I got blueberry all over the spatula. There we go. There's Scarlet's. Look at all that. Does that look good? All right, let's go ahead. Let's get some of this stuff plated up. Let me get mine. Actually, here, I'm gonna take yours off first, Scarlet, and put it over on that plate. Let's get Mom's. It does smell pretty good, right? All right, let me get I'm gonna kill all the burners.
You cut off a piece, and then you cut off a...
Yeah, you're gonna want a piece of my blueberry, right?
Yeah, because I want to taste it for the video.
Yeah. All right. Scarlett wants to be our taste tester today, so we'll go ahead and let her do that. All right, so there it is. That looks really good. Ooh, love blueberries. Yeah, with all them chocolate chips. All right, let's get some syrup on here. Oh yeah. It's so cold out, you get a little film buildup on the top, but that's okay. All right, let's get some of that. All right, there we go. Leave that. All right, you ready? You want a blueberry in there?
Yes.
All right, here you go. Here, come here. That's a little big. There you go. No, you do. Is that good? Thumbs up? At least she doesn't talk with her mouth full. All right, let me get it in here and get a bite of this. Ooh, that's looking good. Come here. Mmm. Fresh blueberries are the way to go. That is good. Almost forgot about my sausage. Love breakfast sauces. Put a little syrup on that. Let's get in and eat some breakfast. What do you guys say? You ready to eat?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I appreciate everybody coming along. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, right? Smash it.
Subscribe button.
And the subscribe button. Thank you. And yeah, thanks for coming along. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.